Good morning, students. I hope you have watched the first revision video on chapter energy, in which we have discussed about some important points to remember. In this video, we will discuss about the objective questions given in your book. So let us start. First question, you have to write true false for each statement. So let us start. First one is, a man going up has a potential energy and kinetic energy both. That is true statement. A gum bottle lying on a table has no energy. It is a false statement. Gum bottle lying on a table has energy. Next one, in an electric fan, electrical energy changes into mechanical energy. It's a true statement. Next, potential energy changes into kinetic energy when it is put to use. It is also a true statement. Next one form of energy cannot be converted into another form. It is a false statement because one form of energy can be converted into other form. Next we have, there is always some loss of energy in conversion from one form of energy to another form. So the total energy is not conserved. It is a false statement. Correct statement is, there is always some loss of energy in conversion from one form of energy to other form. So the total energy is conserved. That is the law of conservation of energy. Next, the energy of flowing water can be converted into electric energy. That we can see at dams what happen. The energy of flowing water is stored and that is used to move the turbine and hydroelectricity is produced. So we can see that this statement is true. Now let us discuss fill in the blanks. An electric fan converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Cooking gas converts chemical energy into heat energy. Energy possessed by a compressed spring is potential energy. So whatever terms written in bold, they are the words to fill. D, the ability to do work is called energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its position is called potential energy. Energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Green plants absorb light energy into chemical energy. The SI unit of energy is joule. An object falling freely from the roof of a multi-story building has potential energy and kinetic energy when halfway down the building. Now let us discuss match the following. Here you see column A, some terms are there, and column B. Now we have to match. Running water has kinetic energy. Burning, heat energy. Energy, unit joule, and sound energy, vibration, nuclear energy, atom bomb. Now see the answer. Here running water and kinetic energy, burning, heat energy, SI unit is joule, so we can match with that. Sound energy is produced due to vibration, nuclear energy, atom bomb. Now let us choose the correct alternatives. When we rub our hands, 4 options are there. Which energy changes from, what is the change in the form of energy? So here when we rub our hand, mechanical energy changes into heat energy. So among all the 4 options, this one is correct. Next one, a ball rolling on the ground possesses, since it is moving, it has kinetic energy. It cannot have potential energy. No energy, heat energy, all the alternatives are wrong. Correct alternative is kinetic energy. Next, the energy stored in an electric cell is chemical energy. It's not an electrical energy, heat energy or mechanical energy. So the option chemical energy is correct. When a bulb lights up on passing current, the change of energy is from electrical energy to heat and light energy. It is not only heat, not only light, it produces both heat and light. So from electrical energy it is converting to heat and light energy. Next, both work and energy have same units. Which statement is correct? So first one is correct. Potential energy of a body is due to its motion. Wrong. It is due to position. Kinetic energy of body is due to its position or state. Wrong. Now next, according to the law of conservation of energy, energy changes from one form to another form, but the total energy of that system remains the same. It neither increases nor decreases, and it doesn't alternates also. Okay children, go through these questions. These are important for your test. Thank you. I'll come with next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.